Big bags. I don't do this. I'm gonna take one bite and see if we got some nochi with tomato sauce. I'm gonna try it for y'all. So, see y'all. I know I'm not gonna like it. It's not terrible, but I don't want to taste. My mommy's gonna try it. She don't like this good. Not a cheese bowl. Nah. Let's try it. No. Every time they come around with their little dirty ass food, I go to sleep. I be sleeping before it even come. Because I don't want it. Go with my Sprite. Can't wait to get back. I'm gonna eat so bad. What is this? Dessert. Well, go back to sleep. At least 6 hours to go. This was turkey bacon. First class got some nice stuff. Looked like big food was made on the plate. Clean. Almost clean.